Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to add Spotify music to CapCut, but before we continue, please consider to subscribe to our channel to help us post more helpful guides and tutorials. So let's head over to Spotify, and for example, let's say Travis Scott, and you want to download the Spotify song. So here it is. For example, select the song and hit on just share or download. So you're gonna have to go to just select your Spotify here song and click open a new tab and type in Spotify track downloader mp3 and hit, for example, this link, paste your Spotify song link and click on load. This will enable you to download your Spotify song. Click on download. Here it is, download, and here it is, the song is being downloaded to your desktop. After the song has been downloaded to your desktop, just open a new project and in the timeline just click on import, and for the downloads just add your song. For the song, add your song here. Just for the downloads, click on it and click on open, and here it is, your song has successfully added to your CapCut project. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.